Hello and welcome to the fifth lesson and last lesson of the first module about real estate fundamentals in our signature program for real estate agents. In this lesson, we will talk about the ways to make money in real estate, and we will cover real estate appreciation, cash flow income, real estate related income, and ancillary real estate investment income. Let's start with real estate appreciation. This occurs when a property increases in value due to a change in the real estate market. For example, the land around your property could become more attractive or busier, like when a major shopping center is built nearby. Or you could have made upgrades to the property that make it more attractive to potential buyers. Real estate appreciation is a tricky game because it is somewhat unpredictable, making it riskier than investing for cash flow income. Cash flow income. This type of real estate investment focuses on buying a real estate property and operating it so you collect a stream of cash from tenant rent. Cash flow income can be generated by other types of real estate besides apartments, such as storage units, offices, retail establishments, and rental houses. Real estate related income. This income is generated by specialists in the real estate industry, such as real estate brokers, who make money from commissions on properties they have helped a client buy or sell, or real estate management companies, which get to keep a percentage of rents in exchange for running the day-to-day operations of a property. Hotel management companies and property management companies charge for taking care of the day-to-day operations, such as hiring maids, running the reception, hiring security, taking care of the common areas, and so on. Another way to make money in real estate is with additional real estate investment income. For some real estate investors, this can be a huge source of profit. Additional real estate investment income includes things such as vending machines in office buildings or laundry and dry cleaning facilities in rental apartment complexes, home cleaning, interior design, landscaping, or any other services that they can provide and produce for them extra income. In effect, they serve as mini businesses within a bigger real estate investment, letting investors make extra money. As homework, think of some other ways and services that can provide additional income, and of course you can always put your thoughts in our Facebook group. That was all for this lesson. See you in the next one.